Then there is also an important factor, which is water or other fluids which can protect against cancer. Not only does water quench your thirst, but it can also protect you from bladder cancer. The lower risk comes from water diluting concentrations of potential carcinogens in the bladder. So also drinking more fluids will make you urinate more often, reduces the time these active ingredients remain in contact with the bladder lining. Then there comes the most important point, which is the cooking methods. The cooking methods that creates the highest levels of carcinogens are those that use high and dry heat. For example, pan frying, deep frying, broiling, grilling, barbecuing, and smoking. Whereas the cooking methods that create the lowest levels of carcinogens are those that use low and moist heat. For example, boiling, poaching, steaming, and stewing. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video and gained valuable knowledge from it. Do share it with your family and friends. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and blessed. Allah Hafiz.